Hi.
We're at
Oh, more cheers. Cheers.
more adventures in
We
Michigan.
have to drink it. Oh yeah, that's
I'm
sweet.
hot.
What did we do today, Laurie?
We laid in bed all
Okay. And
We
ate
talked.
chocolate.
We talked and ate chocolate.
Yep.
This trip, I am being enlightened about how kind, again, we've talked about this on video,
Yes.
how kind people in Michigan are.
The smiles I'm receiving back, the care and connection, the attention, it actually goes a long way and it fills me up and yeah, it makes me feel really good.
Freaking out.
Yeah, yeah.
I love it.
There's a lot. I'm gonna spread the love,
Spread the
the
love.
Michigan love,
Alright.
Ann Arbor love.
Happy Sweetwatering. Sweetwatering Sarah. It is like 7:30, 8 o'clock, and it's still light out.
Delish. It ends like this. It goes right into the traffic lights.
What are we listening to, Sarah?
Rainer Maria.
Oh, it went to the next song.
right into it.
Raina Maria, what were you talking about?
Now, some of you, you would not know all the songs on the album once you listen to the real album, because back in the day, you would download these songs off of Napster. Illegally.
Napster.
Was it illegal?
I don't remember.
Right. Station, living downtown. And you'd roll down the windows like this. Roll down. Remember?
Oh my
My
God.
car rolled down windows.
Nobody
Crank
rolls
it.
down windows anymore.
Crank it. Do you know this song?
Yeah, I remember it now, but the sad thing is I forget things really easily. Sarah remembers it all so well.
It's the right brain. Time not to make out.
It's so cute to like
1999 album.
to feel.
I've been to those trees. So fun mess.
Her voice is very nostalgic. All right, pause.
The lyrics. Sorry.
All right, now we're holding up the things.
Oh, we're holding.
It's 1 a.m.
Why is it 1 a.m.?
1 a.m. in the Michigan Cocoon. We have literally spent the majority of the day here. We've spent most of the day using our voice boxes to chatter.
Chatter. And it's slumber party night.
It's super slumber party day
And
and
then
night.
Into the next one.
And it's already tomorrow. Today is tomorrow.
Today is tomorrow. Honey.
She's doing honey, I'm doing tea tree.
Look at the water. I think we're kind of
Oh, these are from my mom. So I taught Sarah how to do group poetry, but it's fun to do just with two people. One person will write the first line, and then you fold the paper over and you write the last word of your line where it's visible underneath the fold. And then you pass it to the next person. You can do this in a big group. And they can either like kind of finish it or like do a dot, dot, dot.
I'm so tired.
I know, this is gonna be weird.
It's 2 in the morning.
And they can add on to their sentence, and then they fold it over and then put their last word, and then you progress that way. And then at the end, you unroll it and you read it, and you have no idea what it says.
You just trust the creation.
And sometimes it's really, really funny, and sometimes it's really profound, and sometimes it's a little bit of both.
Wow, this is long. We did a
Yeah,
lot.
so we were feeling into like what we were integrating today, which was like a lot.
A lot. It's very wavy, the paper too. We get a wavy creation at the end. All right, we ready?
Yeah. It was a day of learning and accepting ourselves.
What is now will not be tomorrow.
I'm already want to cry. Really? It won't be?
No, it won't, right?
Becoming new. Who? Who do we want to be?
And can we continue to move forward and let go?
Are we ready to fly? To let in more of who we are?
To step each day anew and peel off the final layer.
If you could, would you let go now? Are we becoming?
With a final farewell, a goodbye to what was.
Does life just keep taking us deeper and deeper?
And from the depths comes a reconnection to disconnecting.
Just remember, there is so much power inside.
We'll find our new version to fall in love with again.
Dear ones, the world is preparing for your arrival.
We came into this life to not be healed.
With laughter, with asking more questions.
Wrapped up in one beautifully woven human experience.
Ah! I'm gonna need to read that 5 times.
That's nice.
Isn't that amazing? It just flows.
But we had a topic.
We had like an intention, yeah.
Mhm.
So I think we did a really good job.
All right, I think it's time to say sweet dreams.
Yeah, we're gonna go to bed now.
Night-night.
Night-night.
I almost said love ya.
Love ya.
Too.